Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order. Today's video, guys, we're going to declutter and organize my dishware. Alright you guys, as you can see, I don't have a lot of dishes. I believe in not having too many dishes, trying to keep it kind of minimalistic. However, the ones that I do have in here, we're going to go ahead and sort because I know there are some dishes I need to get rid of, and I also made some new purchases. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be using my infamous Mr. Clean, and I've diluted in water, and this is in Gain Scent. Alright you guys, these are the dishes these are the cups I'm going to keep rather, and these are the items that need to be stored somewhere else and not in this particular cabinet. And then to the right of all these other items, these are the items that I'm definitely going to get away. So you see there's a process to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those where I'm gonna give away and donate to somewhere else. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just start working on the second shelf and doing the same process. Alright you guys, I've completely emptied out all the cabinets. So the items to the left, these are the dishes that I'm going to keep, and the dishes to the right, those 4 bowls and a couple of plates there, I am actually going to donate and give to someone else. So now we're going to go ahead and wipe down the cabinets and place these items back up in the cabinets. You guys, these are some new purchases. I actually just purchased these bowls from the Dollar Tree. I really like these bowls, y'all. The quality of the bowls are really nice. The texture is nice. I like the side print on the bowls, and I got them from the Dollar Tree. So eventually my I love white. It's just one of my nice colors that I like to have. So eventually I plan on having all white dishes, to be honest. But yeah, I got these from the Dollar Tree, and they were $1. Like I said, the quality of them are really good. Alright you guys, that concludes today's video. This is how my cabinet looks like now. I hope I inspired you guys to go ahead and declutter some of the dishware that you have in your kitchen cabinets. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye you guys.